The Motorola ThinkPhone 25 is a smartphone designed for business use, offering a balance of performance, security, and durability. Here's a summary of its key features. Design and display. Asterisk compact 6.36-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Asterisk rugged design with ThinkShield security features for data protection. Asterisk MIL, STD, 810H certification for durability and resistance to drops and shocks. Performance. Asterisk powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor for efficient performance. Asterisk 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM for smooth multitasking. Asterisk 128 GB or 256 GB of storage for ample space. Camera. Asterisk 50MP main camera for high-quality photos and videos. Asterisk 13MP ultra-wide camera for wider shots. Asterisk 10MP telephoto camera for 3x optical zoom. Battery. Asterisk 4,310 mAh battery with 68W fast charging for quick top-ups. Additional features. Android 14 with ThinkShield security features. Asterisk dual SIM support. Asterisk in-display fingerprint sensor. Asterisk IP52 water resistance. Overall, the Motorola ThinkPhone 25 is a reliable and secure smartphone for business users who prioritize durability and performance. It offers a good balance of features at a competitive price point. Don't forget subscribe button, and please like and share for more videos. Thank you.